What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Monday. So today we're taking a look at the Revell's newest 1934 Model A Coupe 2-in-1. So let's go in the box, see what's in the box, open it up, see what comes inside, and take more detail later on. Alright, so first one we're going to take a look at is the decal sheet. It's a pretty darn good sized decal sheet. So you get your white walls for your tires, you got some license plates, a couple skulls, you get your V8 for the grill right there. And this is actually pretty cool. You get checkered flags for the firewall. And the white is actually transparent, so you can paint the firewall any color, and then the black will show through. So that's pretty neat. So this is actually a very good decal sheet. There's a gauge clusters, you got them black and yellow. Very, very cool. Super neat. Alright, so let's get to the clear parts. So you do get three different size headlights, my bad. You get your small ones, medium, and large ones. Your back glass for the back behind the door, main windshield, and your back glass. Very, very cool, and they're pretty clear too. Alright, let's jump straight to the chrome trees. So, that's nothing. So you got all your lines for the engine. You get all this stuff, and that's pretty neat. So you get your transmission pan, your oil pan, and your valve covers. Very cool. And there's the extra added parts. So you don't want to do these little filters, you can do the actual blower things that they're on top of the engine. That is very cool. And there's your actual exhaust, side pipe exhaust. Alright, in this tree you got two different grills. So here's your grill right there, and you got another grill. So that's pretty cool. You can choose which grill you want to use. You got your gauge cluster and your chrome trim for the window. And your tiny door handle. One broke off of mine, but hopefully it's there somewhere. You got some suspension, your front suspension, and your rear axle braces. And the last chrome tree has your wheel backs, your wheel baby moons, more suspension, your pumpkin right there, and your three different size headlights, small, medium, and large. Then you get more braces for the chassis, your rear view mirror, headlights, taillights on that. You get two different types of taillights, and two different steering wheels and your shifter. Very cool. Alright, big bag of parts. So you get your back exit exhaust, which connects to your side pipes. And you get one of your you get one of your frames. This looks like the high boy in your braces. And then comparison, here's your low boy chassis. And you got the same braces for this version, as you see the difference. So you have two different choices of high boy and low boy. You get another set of exhaust pipes for whatever chassis you use. Here's your engine. Here's some beautiful lines there, and your one of your dry shafts. I think there's two in this one. And then here's your engine, beautiful engine, water pump, belts and pulleys. Very nice detail. Okay, so here's one of your interior trees. So I believe this is your high boy. Everybody looks like it is. Yes, it is. So you get your door panels. Here's your portion of one for your outer grill. So you got this one goes for your this grill right here, the top one. That goes right on top. So you want to paint that body color. It's pretty neat. Radiator, firewall, radiator hose, and your seat, bench seat, and your steering. Here's your low boy interior. This is actually pretty neat. You get your stripped door panels. So make sure you paint the inside of the body, so you can, because you want to see through it obviously. So you got your stripped down interior door panels. That's pretty neat. Low boy firewall, radiator, backs of the seats where the back separates the trunk. More radiator hose, steering, and then you get your beautiful bucket seats, metal bucket seats, and you can replace these with some aftermarket ones with actual metal ones if you choose to do so. If not, these look pretty damn good. Very cool. Alright, smaller parts bag, you get your one axle. Very nice detail. Get your chassis / interior. Dashboard. And more exhaust right there. That connects to your side pipes. So you get one of your wheel options. Or your only wheel option. Gas tank, brakes. More trunk parts. You get your pedals, and then you get your roof for the cab, which is pretty neat. Alright, so let's get to the wheels and tires. The wheels and tires are phenomenal. Again, you do have decals for the white walls if you choose to do so, or you can just keep them plain. However you want to take your build. So you get your skinny fronts, and you get your fat rears with some beautiful, very beautiful tread pattern. Again, you got white walls just in case you want to use white walls or keep them plain. But overall, the tires are phenomenal, and they're very nice and flimsy, so they should go over the wheels no problem. Very neat. And the last thing is obviously going to be your body. So this is actually pretty neat. So this is basically your 29 Model A body, and you don't want to do this as a normal 29 Model A because it has these pegs here, and those will show unless you want to do some filling. But this is technically your 29 Model A roadster body without the roof. Again, if you don't want the roof, you can just fill those in, but just get the 29 Model A kit for that. But overall, this looks pretty darn accurate, and it looks, you know, 29 Model A, like I said. And then you get your roof here. The roof is molded separate, so you want to paint this a different color, two-tone it. That would be fantastic. So it's much easier to do a two-tone paint job. Your roof is separate, so if you can keep that off or on. You can put some spider webs in there or whatever you want to do. So there's so many different ways you can do this, and it actually just clicks right onto those little pegs, and it just goes right on, clicks right in. Beautiful. Then you got a 1930 Ford Model A coupe. Beautiful. It slides right in. There's no seam whatsoever. Just some model glue, cement, and it's on there permanently. There's no seam. It fits perfect, and it just clicks right in. Very, very cool. So guys, after taking a very good look at this kit, guys, I really do recommend it. It's actually a reissue because the original issue, the molds got destroyed and the kit was going for a crazy amount of money. But Revell brought it back out late 2021 and everybody's happy. And the 29 model A roadster is also back out. I'll have the Unbox Monday on that also later today if you're watching it now, or if it might be already out. I'll provide a link to it, to that Unbox Monday on in the description, or right there if you want to check it out. Technically the same kit, but again, different whatsoever. And it's just overall a very cool hot rod. One of the coolest hot rods out there. So, not really much different from the original issue. The main difference is Revell switched out the motors because the 29 Model A roadster engine used to be on this kit, and then this kit has this engine, and this engine used to be on a 1929 Model A roadster kit. So they switched some things around, not too much. I believe the wheels too. I think they switched the wheels also. These wheels used to be on a 1929 Model A roadster kit on the original issue, and then that one now has these wheels, and those wheels used to be on this kit. So they just switched out the engine and interior, but then again, you can easily swap out the engine. So if you want that engine in this kit, you can easily do that. It's technically the same exact kit. Just the body is slightly different, but overall, it's basically the same kit. So you want a kit bash, swap out engines, you definitely can do so without any major work. So again, I highly do recommend you getting this kit. It is a phenomenal kit, and it looks pretty darn good. It's clean, hardly any cleanup. Body fantastic. As you see, the roof goes on, it just clicks right on, and it's fantastic. So I recommend you getting one. Definitely go out and get one. They're in the States now. It's all around the world. So get one, get your hands on one, and build it. But other than that, guys, until my next Unbox Monday, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.